Hello friends, today let's see how to use our stock screener app to pick the right stocks at the right time. Let's get started. First, we need to get the app from the Playstore. Just search Stock Screener. You will find the app right at the top. Once installed, let's run the app. This is how it looks. Why to use our screener? The purpose of the app is to pick the best stocks at the moment by scanning the entire market continuously. What we do is we will rate the stocks using our unique algorithms in real time. Then we calculate the signal strength of each stock in 0 to 100 scale. We are using multiple strategies such as open high-low, open range breakout, previous day and current day breakouts, trend reversal strategies, and lot more advanced price action based strategies to calculate the signal strength. Refer the help documentation page to know more in detail. How to use Stock Screener app. Mainly the app has 5 sections: stocks to buy, stocks to sell, indices, top gainers and top losers. In the buy and sell side, stocks are sorted based on the highest signal strength at the top. In the gainers and losers side, stocks are sorted based on the highest percent change irrespective of their signal strength. Picking the stocks from any of these sections can be tricky. To keep it simple, all we need to do is look at the overall market trend at the moment, that is, the buyers versus sellers momentum, to find out who is stronger. We advise to pick the stocks from the stronger side. Also, market trend chart gives you clear picture of the trend throughout the day. It helps you to understand how buyers and sellers are controlling the market. Once the trend is decided, let's pick the stocks with the highest signal strength. You can refer the intraday strategies as well. We have included mini charts for a quick glance. You can also view interactive chart from here. Selecting the time frame, adding the indicators and lot more. Now comes the most important part of the app. Money management tool, or you can also call as position size calculator. Purpose of this tool is to trade the right quantity based on the risk you can afford. It is advised to keep your risk per trade 1 to 2% of your total capital. You can use the pre-calculated target and stop loss, or you can even pick the levels from different types of pivot points available to maintain good risk-reward ratio. You can directly place the one-click order to any of the available brokers with the pre-filled details. You can open the broker dashboard from here. We do offer Pro version where the data is refreshed every minute. Refer help documentation from here. If you like the app, rate us on Playstore. Hope you like this video. Please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you.